Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. So in this video, I will be discussing the first, second, third and fourth question of my first internal and the second and the first question of my second internal also, which is same. So let's begin. The question says discuss specific methods or technologies that facilitate this process given the following complaint. Describe the approach, algorithms, or process for identifying applicable IPC or BNS sections. The theft of my mobile phone by an unknown person at MG Road on 2nd on 20 February 2023, the phone was stolen when I was shopping at a store. The thief was wearing a black jacket and had a scar on his face. What are the suitable data structures and algorithm for addressing the task described above? Explain how the structures and algorithms can be applied effectively. Classify the campaign into appropriate IPC or BNS section. So basically, we have given unstructured data in which the theft of a mobile phone by an unknown person at a particular place is given. So we have to basically write the complete we have to write the complete data using the different algorithms to basically under which IPC or BNS section uh, this thief can be penalized or maybe by the law. So let's begin our answer. So to address the task of identifying applicable IPC or BNS sections for the given complaint, we can employ natural language processing and machine learning techniques. Here's a suggested approach. Step one is text pre-processing. First, we'll divide the whole paragraph into tokenization, split the text into individual words or token. Stop word removal. Remove common words like the and etc. that don't attach much value to the meaning. So basically, we have to remove the words that are not much important. Third is to reduce words to their base form. Example, stealings become C. So we are basically converting the tense of the word. And now step two is feature extraction. First is bag of words represent the complaint text is a numerical vector where each dimension is correspond to a word in the vocabulary. Term frequency, inverse document frequency, weight the word frequency by their importance in the entire corpus. Step 3 is classification model. Train a classifier. Use a machine learning algorithm. Example, naive Bayes, support vector machine, random forest to learn the relationship between the complaint text features and the corresponding IPC or BNS section. So basically, we have to find the relation between the particular BNS or IPS section to the complaint text that the person has registered in the police station. Using a labeled dataset, train the model on a dataset of labeled complaints where each complaint is associated with the relevant IPC or BNS section. So basically, we have to train the model on the dataset of the labeled complaints where each complaint is associated with the relevant IPC. So basically, we have to find the relevancy of our complaint with the IPC sections. Now, the step four is model evaluation and deployment. Evaluate the model. Assess the performance of the trained model using metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Fine tune the model. Adjust the model parameters and hyper parameters to improve its performance. Deploy the model. Integrate the trained model into a system that can process new complaints and predict the applicable IPC or BNS section. Now coming to the suitable data structures and algorithm we can use in the our problem. First is text representation using a combination of bag of words and TF IDF to represent the complete text as numerical vectors. And the another is classification algorithm. Employ a machine algorithm like naive Bayes, SVM, or random forest to learn the relationship between the complaint text features and the IPC or BNS sections. Third is using hash table or dictionaries. Use these data structures to store the vocabulary and the corresponding TF IDF fields. Now, let us see a Python code to understand the concept behind the IPC or BNS section. So basically, first we have to import the Panda library, and then from sklearn we have to import TF-ID vectorizer to convert numerical data into vector form, and the multinomia NB naive Bayes classification, and then the accuracy score. So first, we have to load the label dataset uh, into the function. For that, we have used pd.read csv. It will basically it's a file name complaint dataset, which have the information of the theft that has occurred with the person. And now we are splitting the data into two sets: train test text, train labels, test labels. So basically we are splitting the data into two set. The first set is complaint text and the second is IP section, using the train set and the test set. Now we are creating the TF-IDF vector. For that, we have used TF-ID vectorizer function to basically convert it. Now we'll fit the vector to the training data and the transform both the training and testing data. So basically we fit the vector to the training data and transform both the training and testing data. For that, we have used vectorizer function, and keep in the variable x train, y train, x test and y test. Basically, now we have to train the naive Bayes classifier. For that, we have made a function clf and called the method multinomial nb, and by using the fit method we have passed our train data, which is x train and y train. And now we have to make predictions on the testing data. For that, we have made a variable. We have used the predict function to check the predictions of the X test. And now at last we'll evaluate the model to find the particular BNS section. So by making a function accuracy, we have used the accuracy underscore score function to check the accuracy of the Y test and the Y prediction. And basically it will give us the proper accuracy, like how a machine is predicted it according to the test data. And at last we have print the accuracy. This will basically tell us the relevant IPF section, IPC section or BNS section of the theft. So guys, this is all from the video. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. Thanks for watching.